Hi, my name is James, and I'm a Rail Line Supervisor. Tonight we're doing heavy cleaning here at the Midtown Station. During this COVID-19 pandemic, we are experiencing low ridership, and we're taking advantage of the low ridership to do heavy cleaning on the platforms. So when everyone returns, they'll return to a very clean environment. My primary job is safety. I'm going to be a flag person for a cleaning crew, so it's safe for the operators and the crew that's working on the platform. We're also doing heavy cleaning at many other stations as well, along the platforms, along the signs, along the stairwells. Having a clean environment is also a way of providing customer service for our patrons. I get a personal satisfaction when the customers actually approach me and tell me how nice and clean the stations are. My contribution to the customer experience is priceless. Just a personal satisfaction knowing that the patrons feel good about riding a clean train on a clean platform. My name is James, and I'm proud to be a MARTA hero.